Mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igie budget ni kuonderetie igoti ria nyumba ria rirengagwo Kenya yarahurirwo riu amemba amwe makionania ati igoti riri niriremereirwo gukinyaniria wira uria rethukiirwo gukinyaniria. Mumbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro warahura ndereti ino akionania ati ona thengi ya thirikari gukorwo ikiungania mabilioni ma mbeca na igoti riri ruhonge rwa waki wa nyumba rukoretwo rugithie thi undu ugikirwo mukonde ni report ya ruhonge rwa ndari ya KNBS ya mwaka turi.
Is the housing levy better with the government or in the private hands? Because when this money was in the private hands, then we had a growing and booming construction sector. When we cede this money to government through actually our salaries, construction sector is seen to shrink.
Some manufacturers are going down. So it's not as simple as telling us that these policies will mature in 2 years. No, there's something that we're not getting right.
No mwikiririeti wa kamiti ya KIGINA iria hitukiri igoti riri mwaka wa 2023 aiteka gutetera igoti riri akiuga kiria gicungiriria gutiruka ruhonge-ini rwa WAKI niguo kururia kwa mitaratara ya kuhitukio miako thirikari-ini undu mwe na KIGINA giki gukorwo gigitwara honge-ini ingi kuria kingihuthika uru.
Even when we need to build 200 units in Tongore, it needs to follow a whole process, a cycle, and then the money to be paid. It's a whole legal process that takes so much time. Although we are collecting the levy, that money is not appropriated to the correct voter. You actually require that money be appropriated, because in the absence of that, the money will be used by National Treasury to buy government bonds.
Undu ungi umurikitwo na kinyio muthe ni itua ria kuruta indo imwe gikiro-ini kia magoti kia VAT kiria thondekia indo maracokagirio mahia mao na kuria riu maguthengerio undu uyu. Riu amemba kamiti ya budget makionania uhotekeku wa kuongerereka gwa thogora wa indo ici ari ni hamwe ni indo ta fertilizer, dawa, irio cia mahiu, ngari na nduthi cia thitima gatagati-ini ka indo ingi.
We are increasing the cost of fertilizers by 16%. Can you confirm or deny?
When you come to increase the cost of doing business in agriculture through increasing the cost of fertilizer in the finance bill currently, what do you have to say about that? Inflation is actually going up. And it is going up, it is being felt by Kenyans. UGA currently, Honorable Chair, is actually at the highest price for the last 18 months.
Kurigana na mwikiririeti wa kamiti ya mbunge igie KIGINA kuria Kimani nori uria tereba mihango ya kunyorotha mutaratara wa KIGINA wa mwaka wa 2025 mamwe mamendekithia maria maheanitwo ni ruhonge rwa KIGINA ni ugwati munene hari bururi.
We gave incentives 2 years ago to locally manufacture electric motorcycles and electric bicycles by zero rating them. Now we want to reverse. Most of the fertilizer, 90% of the fertilizer we are consuming in this country is locally manufactured. Again, because we zero rated manufacture of fertilizer in 2023. They wanted to change them to exempt, we refused.
Hali ni KAMITI TV leto lako ni Bataro wa Mwagi.